Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to make a little disclaimer before the video that you're about to see. Okay, so the house that I'm filming in, my house, is a little extra junky because we're renovating and stuff right now, so that's why everything is everywhere. Also, during the mukbang part where we start actually eating, there's like a clicking sound. You can probably hear it right now. I don't know what happens, but my ring light makes that sound or something. I don't know, but.
And my face was really messy, so don't drag me in the comments.
And I got messy when I started eating because I was extremely hungry. So, what else? Was that it? Oh yeah, we kept talking trash about people, so we had to bleep a bunch of stuff out. But I hope you enjoyed the video.
I was just kidding. I love everyone.
Hasta luego. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, this is my cousin Zykerria.
Hi.
Okay, so on my channel I have done almost every video. I've done a
Fake Q&A.
Yeah, fake Q&A. I've done that. I've done what was it? A board game video, and we also did a reaction video, but we have not done a mukbang yet. So that's what we'll be doing today. We'll be doing a seafood boil. We have crab. We got potatoes, and we have corn, and we have sausage, and we have boiled eggs. So let's get started. Okay.
So we're gonna put this crawfish. So we're gonna put this crab boil.
A few moments later.
We're gonna put in the crab boil seasoning bag in there.
So unprofessional.
So, go ahead. What? You smell it. Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning. We don't have measurements, but you know, you can just guess them and whatnot.
I'm sorry.
Nasty. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Oops. Sorry.
Don't.
Technical difficulties. Okay, now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. What else do you think I should add? I'm gonna get some salt. I'm gonna get some Creole seasoning.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put some old. Wait, I already put that. Okay. What was the other thing I was gonna put? Italian seasoning. Now we're gonna put in the corn. How many pieces can we eat?
Like all of them. Put all of them in there. For real.
It's 4 of them. I'm gonna put.
Just put all of them in there. If you just leave one, that doesn't make sense.
Like that? Like what? Can I at least live my life?
Cooking. Just put all of them in there.
Okay. Now we're going to. What was the next part?
Let it cook.
We're gonna let that cook. We're also gonna add some a lemon in there. So yeah, we'll be right back with you.
What do you call a fish with no eye? I know this answer. That's not. The joke wasn't that funny now. It really wasn't because it came from me.
So now I'm cutting the lemon up into some. I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm cutting it up.
To fours.
To fours. Should I just leave it like this?
Let me try.
Okay. I'm just gonna
Do you want to shout out anyone that came up with this?
Oh, we're gonna make some B Loves Life sauce in this video. So, wait, I think she gives shout outs if you use her sauce. But we're making B Love sauce in this video. Is this good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shout out to
Why did I do it like
who can't join us.
Oh, Atlantis wanted to be part of this, but
No.
We love you, girl.
Okay, so those are all the lemons in. And we're gonna let that cook for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and put the rest of the stuff in there.
Don't, ew.
So we have this shrimp right here to put in there.
White shrimp.
Oh, I thought it said bright shrimp. We're gonna rinse it off a little first, and then we're gonna throw it in there with the rest of the stuff, get all that good juices and that good seasoning. And okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the. Should I take the tails off?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, because
You
so you don't
take
have to
the
pick
tail-
them out
No,
when you're eating.
That's the best part.
Because that's
You get
wasted
messy.
time.
Oh, you're right.
Well,
Wait.
Come on. Why did you do that?
Okay.
so am I getting paid for this? Oh, sorry.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Whenever I get paid, you get paid.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. So is that what do we wait for it to cook a little and then do other stuff in it? Or?
Yeah, wait for it to cook a little.
Yummy!
In my tummy. Oh my god.
Oh, I should get this. Okay. We'll be right back with you people. Okay. So I'm cutting up the little smoked sausages I'm putting in there. Since Zai's not eating any, I'll just put some in there for me. And I'm gonna drop some of those in there, and then after that, I'm gonna rinse some of these potatoes off and put some of those in there too. Okay? Okay.
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 Put me in.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This is what it's looking like now. Like that the sausage is in here. Oh yeah.
You put them in there like professional. Like Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah. We have some little red potatoes that are already rinsed off. We're gonna
doing
cut.
this part.
Are we cutting them there? Oh wait, cut them in half, are we?
No.
Oh, never mind.
Edit that out.
Yeah, we're just gonna put these in there.
Yeah, Malik gave me my one. That's okay. It's
What?
okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Owie. Oh, wait, who turned it down? Okay, so I realized that somebody turned the stove down when I thought it was on high, but it wasn't, and that's why the water wasn't boiling. But I didn't think anything of it because, well, I thought the water was on high, and I thought it would like kick up anytime soon. But you catch my drift. You get what I'm saying. Okay, so oh wait, it's your turn.
I don't know how to do this.
Just
Okay, so now that we're almost done cooking, now we're gonna start on the Bloves sauce.
and, oh, excuse the background. We're like renovating and stuff right now, so it looks bad. But
Just slap an
continue.
emoji over it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here's the IGA brand.
First,
Still good?
Oh.
You want me to fill it all the way up? I don't know how to make this sauce, boy.
She said 1 tablespoon for her and the thing. Wait, no. I don't know if we should like do it separate or together.
Too
Separate
late.
Let's do it together. Let's do it together.
Nope.
Oh yes, because then it's gonna be too salty. You want me to do too salty, right?
You look salty.
Because I was gonna put both of our yeah. Okay, we're good.
Together or separate?
Together, just put it in that bowl. Oops, this is mine, I guess. You already. We only put 1 tablespoon of each.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah.
So, never cook with me.
Black pepper, also IGA.
I mean, I hope everyone knows what IGA is. It depends on where you're from.
GAI
Yes.
is where I'm from. Oh, not sponsored.
I wish.
Yeah.
Just dip it in there.
I'm recording.
That's about dipping the spoon in there. Now it's gonna be spicy.
Stupid. Shut up.
Hold up. BRB, I'm gonna dump this in the trash. Now we're adding the garlic powder.
That's dang.
Publix.
Mm-hmm.
Not
That's
sponsored.
right. Okay, so now here's the Cajun seasoning.
Yes.
Where's the little dip thing? Oh, duh.
Here.
Oh. Who was that?
My mom sound like.
Oh.
Did your mom even know you're here?
This is the Cajun
Yeah.
seasoning. Okay, now this is the onion powder.
IGA, right?
No, this is
Walmart.
great. This is great value.
Oh, oops.
Your mom in there?
No, I don't know. Did I see it? I don't know.
She's slow.
Oh, you can lift it up. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all can go see these seasonings on Bloves' channel. She has a video called "How to Make Bloves Sauce." Y'all can go look at it on there. Yeah, and I'm gonna but we're gonna go ahead and add all the rest of them, and we'll see you guys back again in a little bit. Okay, so we already got the spices for the Bloves sauce mixed, but we had to put our little eggs in.
Blue baby. Oh wait, you're gonna be copyrighted.
If you have the music playing,
I know. I just want to get me.
Sorry, I'm watching B movie, but I didn't notice. We didn't notice that the eggs cracked when I put them in there. So I guess we just had bad luck that day because everything was going downhill.
No, you're just slow.
It's not gonna happen anyway.
3, 4.
You
Count
boy.
yourself.
I'm gonna have a little fab in there.
Oh my god.
Hot tamale.
Okay.
That's what I like.
Now next time you see us, we'll be adding the crab legs in.
And we're about to put the crab legs in. These retailed for $38.
Your energy is like really low.
Yeah, you need to speak up a little bit.
I'm sorry. Restart.
Go ahead.
Okay, so these are the crab legs. Then we're about to put them in.
Hurry.
These retail for $38
I'm gonna shut the bag open.
84 We got them at Publix. Wait, should we be putting the store names in there? Yeah.
We're not sponsored.
That's getting them more business.
Okay, well we got them at Publix, and you better just drop it in here.
Can you set time on your phone for like 10 minutes?
Don't touch them. I'll do it.
I'm up. Gotta get to myself.
Wait.
They really smell bad, but they're really going to.
Put in the butter for the Bloves sauce.
Do you want me to put the timer on now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hold up.
What's the butter for?
You want onions at the bottom?
No.
Oh, freaking garlic.
Garlic.
I'll be slaying, if I must say. You get it? Because it's at him and fuck.
What?
Me too.
No, I'm gonna finish it. Hurry up, Bo.
Here.
You had to chop. You don't know how to ball, really. I'm chopping for you. The Bloves sauce is finished. I'm gonna put it in 2 separate bowls for us to use. We're about to take the crab legs out.
These bags smell good.
And when we come, the trash bags?
Yeah.
Okay, but when we come back, we'll probably be sitting down and we'll be explaining to you like what's in the pan and stuff. In the pan and stuff, okay? Okay, we're gonna take them out. Everything okay. See you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, we're here with the crab legs. We got the corn, the potatoes. Sorry you can't see it that good, but I tried my best. And we got some boiled eggs, and we got some lemons. So let's get started. I'm excited. Well, I'm thirsty.
Yeah, you are.
Die. I'm gonna stop running with the eggs.
I want to start with the shrimpy.
Oh,
And we had to divide ours, but we didn't feel like making more. But it's cold because I had some things to do before we filmed. But
But it's still gonna be good because that be love sauce.
oh my gosh, I want to try with lemon. I'm scared.
What, Brie?
That be love sauce.
Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this my entire life.
Why are you smacking?
You have to snack it, some mukbang.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Don't you smack, sorry. Don't you smack.
Crack it.
It's so huge. I'm sorry. I can't smack.
Oh, I don't like claws because I can never get the beat out of them. I heard that profane. I'm supposed to be a pro at this. I was last time. They was just sliding right out.
That's what she said. We're editing that out.
Oh.
Yes, you are.
Dive right in with the...
Because my mom watch your videos.
She does?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm a fan. I'm so disappointed.
Which
with
is
this.
oh, you about to try it?
With the potato?
Sorry about the sound in the background. It's the water. Shower water.
I give a... Okay.
We tried to get her to eat, but she wouldn't.
And also, we can't afford them big crab legs that Bloves be getting. So we got some snow crabs. I know what they're called. feel like you're trying to play me right now, and I don't like it. Freaking seed went out. What do you have, Lemon?
Mm-hmm. Why you got all the corn?
Did you try that potato?
Oh.
John? Did you try the potato? Is it good?
I ate it. I ain't gonna lie, I ate it.
You ate it. Oh, I dropped it.
Feel like more of a pro than Malik.
Is it good, Malik?
Did you
Is
get
it good, Malik?
I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like we should like bake them instead of boiling them. It's like earth. Ew, wow. The sauce isn't doing anything.
You don't eat
Scoop
it.
it. That's why it's not doing nothing, because you're not scooping it up.
I'm trying.
Yeah, get some of that lemon.
Okay.
There it is.
And did you scoop it up?
I said there's like salt and pepper on the side of something.
Oh, come on. Just scoop it up.
I don't know.
No! See, that's your problem. You're not scooping it up. You got... Look, just
I
like
can
you
get
gotta do it.
napkins.
Please.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You gotta do it like this. Like that. And you got all the spices.
I feel dirty.
Don't be afraid to get in there. Look.
Where's the eggs?
Look.
Cold eggs make me nauseous.
I should have probably undid my belt for this.
Oh, I ain't got no corn yet. What's that? Oh, never mind. Did it come? Oh, it's okay.
Hi, sisters. Oh, wrong channel.
What about one day you just pop up in one of these videos? Like, right channel?
No.
Is that the egg? Ooh, nobody tried the egg. I mean, the corn.
Oh no.
What you doing?
Yes.
I'm getting prepared.
You didn't try the egg? Really, I gave you two
I
for
feel
a
so
reason.
parched.
Okay.
I just tried one.
I gave you two
What?
napkins.
I didn't know it was two.
See, Zach smart. She was listening. ASMR.
Be loves. I'm so sorry.
It's Curtisha.
Okay.
I didn't see the video. Zach looks like a freaking ant.
Sorry, what?
Zach looks like an ant. Let me see.
I didn't notice.
See.
Ew, I feel gross. Can you still like the tripod up more? I feel like it's so far away.
That's what she said.
You just now starting to eat the crab.
Because she couldn't get it out.
I've been struggling for a minute.
I should put onions in mine.
Because that's what she did?
Mm-hmm.
Malik is leaking.
No.
Y'all, what? How y'all do let me sit my whole lemon in a thing?
In the sauce?
Yeah. Too late.
What happened? Maybe these crab legs are different because when I was eating the other ones the other day, they just like slid right out. Oh, I don't like getting the claw.
Y'all are making yourself known that there.
Yeah. Over it. I'm not waiting. Sick of this crap.
Excuse me. First burp of the night.
I know it.
That's not going to be hurting anymore. But, oh, Lord.
It's gonna be worth it.
Period. Is my tripod come over? Sugar and spice and everything.
That be love sauce do something different to you.
It's so good.
Zoom in on her face. Dude. There's a little quiet there. Oh, I want to ask y'all some questions.
Go ahead.
Such a
Calm down, but do a little too excited. Y'all. I ain't even tried shrimp yet.
Well, you the one over there eating all the potatoes and whatnot. Excuse me. Also, if you not hear any background noise, ignore it.
Which 3 celebrities would you most like to have
What?
dinner with?
Nicki Minaj, Danielle Bergoli, because she's my queen, and Kylie Jenner.
I would have to say Tommy Fred because he is so sweet and I love the way he treats his wife.
I know.
Wayne, though you Melly, of course. That's my baby.
Which one? Him or Melvin?
Either one is fine.
That one was good. I
Like,
forgot about the sausages.
And oh look, I got the be love on the bone.
you nasty.
And
It's fine.
my
Okay.
long time love of my life.
Okay,
Tremendous.
next question. What would you do if you had $1 million?
Ball out with 10,000.
How about you?
Buy my Range Rover, white outside, red interior. And buy my mother a house, of course. Who wouldn't do that?
Well, I'll buy myself a house and she can live in it.
Period. Period.
How about
I don't even cook you something up.
Yes, you do. You do.
Okay, next question. Are you
No, this thing, mine is hard.
are you a spender or a saver?
Spender.
Spender.
I cannot save.
I'm a saver.
I be like, I'm gonna save this, and then as soon as I see something,
Oh my gosh.
I be having like $10 and be like $11. I'm like, oh my god.
And then I ask my mom for $1.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get anything out of this? You try. Because I ain't.
Shout out to the family and
When
friends.
you're on a date,
If I
this
had
is
a-
for like you, or I guess you answer it. When you're on a date, Malik, I guess you can answer it.
Huh?
When you're on a date, do you think the man should pay or not?
I mean, I feel like,
Can I go?
I don't know.
I think it can be both ways, but like
Yeah,
the man doesn't always have to pay. I don't know what's up with women and thinking the man always has to pay. Like I get he needs to pay, but like not all the time. When you're both working, both making bank, you can treat each other.
That's right.
Okay.
Don't get me it gets me heated.
What's the most expensive gift you ever given someone?
A card. Cheap.
Malik?
Lee.
What was
Okay.
the question?
Most expensive gift you ever given someone.
Remember you had girlfriends in the past. Ooh, exposed.
Hold up, my nose is starting to run. I gotta go.
Okay. Would you rather be freak. Would you rather either be rich or healthy?
Rich.
Healthy.
I'm already unhealthy, so.
Okay, she never said you already healthy.
What?
She said it was a choice between rich or healthy.
I'm saying you can be unhealthy and rich. I
Would you
mean,
rather be
unhealthy doesn't have to mean you like beast.
Yeah, like what type of healthy?
like health? Would you rather be good looking or rich?
Rich.
Cause I could get plastic surgery.
Well, bring you. I'm
When
not
I'm-
door for him.
So what you say? Oh,
Rich.
y'all said rich. Do you believe in the death penalty? Why or why not?
It depends on the situation.
Yeah.
Like if something like really bad, thing.
Have you ever seen? No, we didn't. Would you like to know the day you're going to die ahead of time? Why or why not?
No. Because I'd be scared to live my life.
Then you're going to be worrying about when are you going to die the whole time and not enjoying anything you do. So,
would you rather have super strength or super intelligence?
super intelligent.
Yeah, that's the
Well, shut up.
So I can
You
put a
need
lot of
super
people in their
strength.
place and they think they're right.
Would you rather have the power to?
Oh, that's making a strength.
Would you rather have the power to be invisible or the power to read minds? Read minds.
Invisible.
What?
Because when I read minds, I don't want to know what people think about me. I don't care. Think what
Read
you
minds
think.
because I think it'll be funny. Like I know. Like they.
My napkin is nasty.
Would you rather spend the rest of your life with a significant other, or would you rather have a partner who is extremely difficult?
Huh?
Is it a real question, Bree?
What's the question?
Yeah, would you rather spend the rest of your life with a significant other, or would you rather have a partner who is extremely difficult?
A significant other.
Like your boo-boo.
But someone who's extremely difficult. Like, still a significant other?
Yeah.
Other?
Oh my gosh.
I don't think.
Who's is that?
Mine.
Why is this yolk so like big?
Okay, let's undo that.
I don't like it. It doesn't right.
Cut that out.
Bro, you're making a mess.
I know.
Okay, would you rather
This is unorganized.
Would
I
you
have
rather-
a sausage.
Are they good?
What,
Wait,
sausage?
stop doing that freaking expression.
What's special?
Wait.
I didn't realize I was doing that. I thought it was my first time doing that.
Do you?
Ooh.
You thought you about to get a beat?
I'm supposed to get this crap.
Crabs.
What the frig?
Spring nugget.
Okay.
Okay. Or bleep his name out if you can. Okay, but that's gonna stay in there. Or one of them guys
Actually, I don't know.
Crystal and Julian.
Huh?
Or bleep their names out.
Who?
Talk it.
I've told you this multiple times.
Okay.
I'm having to get to edit this part out and I just like skip over it and I don't even notice it.
Now look at this.
And then
They done cheated me out my. Ooh.
Sound like DP.
That is my
Bleep their names out when we, if you can. Or like just.
We gonna forget about it. We're just gonna be exposed.
And then they went, oh my god, I'm my friend Curtisha. I'm like, no.
How does it keep turning this way?
Malik.
Are y'all full?
No.
Y'all was greedy the whole
Why is
thing.
it not coming? Last time I had crab legs, it would come out whenever I did that.
Because you got it from Publix. Ooh.
That's probably the problem. I got last one from IGA. They're more reliable.
IGA.
Also more expensive.
I think you need some water.
Who, IGA not. Bloves is more expensive than IGA. IGA is like your nice little family grocery store.
The country came out in you.
Yeah, boy.
I've been noticing that I have like a country accent. Like,
Me too.
I've been like slipping into one. Like, I'll be talking like, yeah.
No.
You drink none of that water.
Because you've been focusing on that food.
The gag is. Oh, the one. Never mind.
Malik, don't forget to.
Oh my god, shrimp. I forgot about
Bleep,
these.
like bleep some certain
Yeah,
things out for real.
I'm probably gonna watch the whole thing.
Or cut it. Cut it.
Am I gonna post
Cut
this?
it. Edit this first. Edit this first.
I'm gonna have to decide.
Yes, you are.
Exactly.
No, cause I feel weird. I feel nasty.
You look nasty. I'm
I
just
know,
kidding.
look at my
Stop.
shirt.
Because do you see Be Lovely? She don't care.
But hers is from the waist up. I feel like we're just.
Oh wait. What happened to the plate?
See, like you can't see it, but I also want to have our faces in it.
Cause you messed it up. It was done right here.
We eat crab leg for the people. Y'all know that video where she like,
No, I didn't. I was lying.
where the mama eating the crab leg, and her son just like,
Oh yeah.
and she like, my mommy don't got a car. You know that?
What's it saying?
No. Frank the dog might open that door.
Collab. Look. Life hack.
I got this so much sauce over here.
I bet y'all won't drink it. I bet y'all won't drink it.
Don't worry about it, you know.
Yeah, we're not eating that part.
I bet you won't drink it.
What?
The
That's good.
sauce.
You gonna get high blood pressure.
Drink it. Ew, look at the bottom.
I took a sip.
See, look at that. I didn't even open it for you because I knew you was going to go
Someone
for
told me
it
not to do that.
and spit in it.
Feel like be loved right now.
I feel cool.
Beloved.
How are you so clean?
Zaddy. Because she knew was going to watch this. Like, let me go ahead and be cute quick while I'm eating. Because you know we going on that date.
I don't think me and him are friends. Oh, you got to see on Snapchat too?
Yeah,
I
I
have-
have a Snapchat and his number.
When I told you about
Ooh.
what's the thing on your Snapchat? You're like, so I don't watch our new video. YOLO, swag.
I don't know.
You heard me?
No, I'm really so I can't eat the claws. I was just picking it up. I don't
Pick
want
it
them
up, pick
nasty
it up,
little
pick it up.
potatoes.
They don't eat it. It's
Eat
not eat it.
it.
Eat that corn.
I might get that. You want it?
Get what?
That corn.
Malik,
What
you
the frig?
so
No.
nasty.
I'm trying.
She don't want it.
I'm trying my best.
Eating crab leg for the people.
You know, use it for yourself. I just want to make a video. Period.
Period.
I'm so glad we did this.
I
feel like I don't know how I feel about it with the
I
movie.
honestly don't know half of the sounds that come out of Malik's mouth.
They're hard words.
Not the ones he be saying.
I'm gonna like get this up. I don't know how I feel about it with this.
Look, Malik, this is how I'm so clean.
Lena makes it like
No,
sour.
that was the cleanest now. Let's get it.
What that makes it sour, but you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know if I like it. Your word looks sweeter than mine.
It is.
Damn.
Oh my gosh!
So come to me.
Scrimp!
I wasn't coming at you.
Now, eat.
I was letting you know.
What's up?
Mom, I know you're going to see this video. And Dana, get your child before she get beat. Period. Period. What you going to do? Stab me?
You
Mr.
ain't lying.
Krabs?
What is?
No, she said she don't want it.
I guess I'll eat it.
You said it like you wasn't gonna eat it in the first place.
He wasn't. If you didn't say anything. If you did say something.
Look, going
I
back,
feel like it's so far away.
I'm going back to my life hack.
What?
I feel like I've seen that before, like a YouTube video.
You watching them kind of videos? Weird.
Well, Mukbang.
Essing that drip on your shirt. Yeah, why didn't you do that in the first place? So how did this happen?
This collab.
Oh
I'm
no,
saying
you
Instagram
tried to
today.
change the
And
subject.
then, I saw this girl named Zykerria on there. And I was like,
You
wow.
know, she ain't got no YouTube
I
channel.
wanna collab
This ain't no
with
collab. Just one like
Yes,
special
I
guest.
have. I
You
am
still
still
work-
close to up to 600 subscribers.
For real?
That's right.
For real? If you get, you know what that means if you get to 1,000, right?
What?
But you have to post videos to get paid.
Nothing. It's how many is if you get to 1,000 views.
But you have to have 1,000 subscribers too.
No.
Stupid. Yes, it is. I looked it up. That's why all the meat went over there.
Wait, what is that, the clock?
Ain't it, Malik?
No? I have no idea.
It's 1,000 views, baby girl. So I don't know.
I would give you the world. Oh.
You just gotta be worth it.
Well, this is your nastiness.
Yeah, cause all your mess on your clothes.
Yes, you do, stupid. It says You must need 1,000
I wasn't trying to come for you.
subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to be eligible for monetization on YouTube. Monetization on YouTube. YouTube does not require amount of subscribers to start earning, but it said yes. There. But when you hit 10,000, you can expect $100, $300 per sponsorship. 100 from YouTube ads. It depends on the number of views, link, country, and currency, and
I think I'm
etc.
done.
Really? It looks like it.
Excuse me. I need a napkin.
Curtisha?
Might get my towel.
I'm coming on. Baby, no.
Alright.
Ooh, who texted me this fast?
Jennifer.
See, I'm not instigating. Oh, sorry, I'm responding to a text.
I thought it makes burping sounds.
How did he get a scratch on his forehead?
This is atrocious.
I didn't ask him that yet. Did I ask him? Yes, I did. I'm following.
So, are you done?
No.
What's
We should have scissors.
Just cut this part out.
Oh my gosh,
please.
that's what I was forgetting.
What?
That's been on you?
No.
I'm so sorry.
Have what? Have what?
Scissors!
I want to go. Y'all want to go to one of those soccer games?
That'd be funny.
No, I actually been trying to go because, like, yeah, people. I don't think no really like high schoolish, so I think it's just like not like.
Some people do.
Yeah, I'm talking about like I feel like only the freshmen go because that's what they're talking about.
To
What soccer game?
high
That's
school?
what I do. Huh? No, to the freaking field. The soccer field.
I'm full.
I will sit there and look pretty.
I know, I'm trying to,
Ooh,
like,
she
wait for
gave you a
you.
compliment. Sit there and look handsome.
Here, you want this potato? Put it on your side.
You ain't even, boy.
Well, I'm talking about putting it on your side before I'm about to put my stuff in there.
That cloth.
I probably farted on the low. I tried to make it quiet the first time. I'm so
I'll let
sorry.
mommy know.
You said you let it be long.
No.
Oh. So if you was on a date, you was just.
I got a bus.
Say her just no. He said, look, he said, I got a butt.
No, I don't even do that.
Me neither. This video got to be at least 30 minutes long. You know that?
37.
Be lovely.
Hey.
No, because you have to add your cooking stuff and everything.
No, I'm saying this segment is.
Oh, you just gonna put this in?
No, I'm saying this segment is 37 minutes. Hurry up, Bo.
Don't worry, me look on you. I'm gonna drink that water. Oh,
It's finished.
No,
It got gone.
and I got.
Malik,
Stop, I don't know how to eat them.
crack on with your teeth.
That hurt.
What? Ronnie?
And I'm full.
He's like, next time you see him, I said he a chicken. Ooh, what should I say to him? This is my friend.
Thumbnail.
No, it was alright, Eddie.
I feel
Why did you do that? You look like Pepper from American Horror. I'm just kidding. You see the American Horror Story?
I mean, I'm like Pepper. For me, I thought you got some Pepper Pig.
it's my twin. Sprinkle some. I don't like it with the lemon. It tastes
You
weird.
better reply that fast too.
I liked it at first, but then it started to taste weird.
Ooh, I forgot to do this. Videos.
Maybe I should take a picture of it and then like filming.
Videos.
Like before we ate, I should have like took a picture of it and like take a picture
Yeah,
of
you
it,
watch
like, take a
my
video
story.
of like
You're
it,
welcome.
like
Oh.
yeah.
I'm just kidding. I do like this in front of them.
You,
I can't eat. No, like if I
so
don't
you
know
didn't
you.
even get
No,
snappy.
listen. If I know you, I just like at first, Miss Baker. Is this still recording?
Oh,
Yeah. I am so.
Freaking done. Delete this video.
I'm deleting the whole channel.
Damn.
That's what happens when you go the whole video parched.
Oh, you don't eat and drink. You just eat and then drink afterwards.
Oh my god.
that's why Millie got so full so fast.
I can't cause I choked.
Are we finished? Okay.
You're welcome.
So that is the end of this video. We're all done. We ate almost everything. I just couldn't get those claws open. But if you like this video,
you just got a little.
give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and go to the click the little bell to be notified next time I upload a new video.
Our
And go
channel
to
is
her channel in the link
She
below.
already got like 600 subscribers. I need some. I only got like 3.
I was just lying. I ain't even posted a video yet.
But go to her channel in the link below and subscribe so you know when she uploads a new video. Okay? Okay.
I can text her, we love sauce from my mouth.
So what about me? I recorded. I was in a little bit.
And also go subscribe to Curtisha's channel in the
Anthony.
in the description. Anthony.
Andrew.
Andrew's
Andrew's gonna see this.
But okay, they had to with me. Hasta
She don't know your outro.
luego.
Bye, bud.